I'm going to show you how we can create electronic records for the maintenance of a fleet of trains working in the UK. So the fleet of trains are organised into units. So there's one unit down there consisting of 10 cars, another one here consisting of 10 cars, and so on across the fleet. So this isn't a fixed formation train, so we can actually change these car positions around, which adds a degree of complexity to raising jobs. We can't raise a job on a set number because it's never going to change. We actually raise the examinations on the car numbers, so these car numbers are very important here. So this configuration, this is how the fleet is currently configured, and if we want to go launch some jobs, this is we'll go to this next tab here, which is the exam launcher. And there's a number of places where the maintenance activities can take place. We can go to Neville Hill, Etches Park and Cricklewood, and at those locations we can launch a B exam on this unit or an S exam. An S exam is an overnight examination, a B exam takes a little bit longer. And it's a bit more detailed. So we can generate each of those activities. So if I wanted to, maybe we'll go to this train here. Say I'm going to set off a B exam. You see there, we've just gone off to get some information. It's gone off to say, when did we last do a B exam? And it knows what B exam is going to come next. B exams are arranged in an order of they go from B1 to B2 to B3 to B4 to B5 all the way to B8, and then it cycles round and round again. So each individual car has a different exam that's expected to happen when we send this set for a B examination. So we're going to set this here for B exams. We'll maybe set this one here for an S exam, and it's just updating itself there again. And we might also, this unit here, this is actually taken out of service, and it's a special set that's left for longer period work, which would be an X exam. And so this is again calculating which of the X exams are due, because there's X1, X2, X3, so it's telling me what we need to do. And to generate all those jobs now, all I have to do is click on this button here. It's going to go off and download all the jobs in this file, which I can import into the system. Now,